This is the part of 2. This is part 2. Got it. This is part 2 of how to actually think. Most of people don't know how to think because of they don't learn new things. They don't grab new information. They just doom scroll. Enough. So I'm talking about 2 models which really help you in your life. Number 1 thing is second thinking principle. In this, you think about long term. You don't think about 1 year, 2 year. You think about 10 year, 20 year. And that is the right way of thinking. You not think about short term. It is as simple as it. First, these lines. Never ever plan short term. Always plan long term. Put in your mind, always, I will never ever make short time plan. Short time means 1 year, 2 year, no, always long term. 10 years, 20 years. Got it? And let's come on our first principle. It says that if you do something, like if you do X, then Y will happen. If you do X, then Y will happen. And then because Y happened, because of that, Z also will happen. And because Z happened, that means A also will happen. I give you example. You started going to gym. So this is your X. What you do? Going to gym. And then you going gym every single day, at least 1 year. And then you make your body. And your body is Y. Because of you do X, that's why you get Y, which is your body muscular. And because you get your body in shaped, lots of people compliment you. Because you get compliment, this is Z. And because you get compliment, because of that you have confidence. Now you have confidence because you get lots of compliment about your body. And then A will happen. That call second order thinking. Always remember, always. Consequences have also consequences. Never think like if I do this, then nothing will happen. You have to understand that if you're doing anything like recording video and going to sport and talking to new people, strangers, talking to girls and doing lots of stuff, it will compound and it will give you the gift in your future. So always remember, you need to do those things which is really so important thing for your future and also for you. Don't indulge in bad habits, smoking, alcohol, stuff thing. Don't go on these things. That is totally pointless. You are going to always remember compounding. Always remember, put in your mind, bro, eighth wonder of this world is compounding. Understand this. Got it? Always, whatever you are going to choose, always remember, I'm going to do something. If I do this, then this happen. And if I don't do this, then this will happen. It is as simple as that. Any confusion? If any doubt in your mind, go and comment. As simple as that. I will give you answer. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. Always put in mind, always you are going to take any decision, write the decision. First write the decision and then if I do this, then what will happen? If I don't do this, then what will happen? If this will happen, then after that what will happen? And you have to make a rough idea of that. Got it? Now come on our second principle, that is inversion thinking. What do you mean by inversion thinking? It is as simple as that. Most of people say, how I can get success. Always you heard about these things. Lots of people ask, bro, how to get success in my life? Got it? So in this principle, the principle says that you don't need to ask direct. Ask what should I do to fail in this particular scenario? Again, what I do, what things done by me which leads to failure. Take an example, like most of people say, how to get good marks in my exam. Got it? And then I would ask, what should I do to decrease my marks? Take an example, like I don't need to revision, I don't need to practice, I don't need to solve PYQs, I don't need to solve sample paper. Got it? And if I do these things like not revisioning and sample paper, PYQs and practice, if I don't do these things, my marks will go down. But if I don't avoid this and I try to understand, okay, if I do these things, I will get bad marks. So I need to practice, solve sample papers. It is as simple as that. Got it? Got it. I know you didn't understand what I'm trying to say. Again, take an example like one thing. First, I need to think about it. Okay. Another example. You need to do that. Understand? If someone says, I want success, what should I do? Sometimes we say you need to be consistent, discipline, choose any one thing. Got it? Got it. And when I ask question to someone, what should I do to fail in my life? How to get failure? Then they would say, be inconsistent, not be disciplined, not be persistent, not giving efforts, and then you will fail. So I need to avoid these things, and I need to be consistent, be disciplined. It is as simple as that. I hope you understand. And I know you think, bro, what the hell are you saying? This will never help you. But go and search. It will really help you. Got it?